Imagine sitting in your living room, but your eyes are thousands of feet in the air, soaring through a mountain pass or weaving between the skyscrapers of New York City. For years, this level of total immersion was a luxury. You either had to spend $600 on high-end goggles or settle for a blurry, laggy experience that made you motion sick in minutes. But right now, the drone industry is facing a massive shakeup. DJI has just dropped a device that is being called the Great Equalizer. I'm talking about the DJI Goggles N3. This isn't just another accessory. This is the first time DJI has taken their flagship O4 transmission tech, the same legendary system found in the Avata 2, and packed it into a headset that costs less than half the price of the Goggles 3. Today, we are tearing down every spec, every ergonomic secret, and every hidden feature that makes the Goggles N3 the most important release for the FPV community in 2026. If you've been on the fence about jumping into the world of first-person view flying, or if you're a veteran pilot wondering if a budget goggle can actually keep up, you need to stay tuned for every second of this deep dive. The Goggles N3 are about to prove that you don't need to break the bank to fly like a pro. Why is the N series causing so much noise? Because it addresses the one thing Apple and high-end DJI goggles always seem to ignore: the real-world pilot. Let's start with the eyewear revolution. If you wear glasses, you know the struggle. Diopter adjustments are great, but they're never perfect, and fumbling with lens inserts is a nightmare. The Goggles N3 are designed with a glasses-first philosophy. The internal cavity is massive. No more taking off your spectacles. No more blurry edges. You simply put them on, and the 1080p ultra-wide screen is right there, crystal clear. This isn't just a comfort feature. It's a game changer for accessibility in the US drone market. But let's talk about the soul of these goggles: the display. While the Goggles 3 use dual micro-OLED screens, the N3 takes a different approach. It uses a single massive 3.5-inch 1080p LCD panel with a staggering 54-degree field of view. Now, some purists might hear LCD and worry about contrast, but here is the secret. Because it's a single large screen, the immersion is actually wider than the Goggles 3. It feels like sitting in the front row of an IMAX theater for your drone. When you're flying the DJI Neo or the Avata 2 through a forest, that wider FOV is the difference between seeing a branch in your peripheral vision and hitting it. The N3 doesn't just show you the flight, it puts you inside it. The real magic, however, is the O4 transmission system. This is the same tech that provides 1080p video at 60 frames per second with a latency so low it feels telepathic. In the wide open spaces of the US, from the deserts of Arizona to the parks of the Midwest, signal interference is the enemy. The O4 system inside the N3 is a dual-band monster, switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies faster than you can blink. We are talking about a 13-kilometer range in FCC-compliant areas. That means you can push your Neo or your Avata 2 further than ever before, with a rock-solid video feed that stays sharp even when you're pushing the limits of the signal. Let's address the elephant in the room: price. At $229, the Goggles N3 are a direct attack on the budget FPV market. For the price of a pair of high-end sneakers, you are getting a 1080p,